What if we were to tell you you can keep your feet dry all day? Introducing Mesh Pro insoles, a cool new type of insole that keeps your feet dry, refreshed, and protected from odors. Mesh Pro insoles are made with an amazing natural honeycomb design that is the next generation of nature-inspired technology. Precision machined in Japan to top quality standards, Mesh Pro insoles are extremely lightweight and durable. With over 400 3D nylon polymer cells, the design forms an open mesh that allows for the greatest airflow possible. When you try them on, they feel surprisingly soft and supportive. The polymer underside of each cell in the insole is slip-resistant to ensure it remains in place, even after long hours of activity. Mesh Pro insoles can be cut to size, which makes them perfect for everyone. Mesh Pro insoles, ultimate aeration technology at your feet.